Welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning Face API with a project. I will cover 6 topics in this series. What is Face API? HTML and CSS. Write a basic page. Display the content. Create a reusable fetch function and error handling. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using the Fetch API. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started with our first topic. What is Face API? The Face API is a modern way to make HTTP requests in JavaScript. It is a built-in feature that allows you to fetch resources from the network like APIs asynchronously. It returns a promise, making it easier to work with asynchronous operation than older methods like XML HTTP request. Let's have a quick look at the Fetch API code. Fetch is a built-in JavaScript function. We need to add API URL here. Don't worry too much at the moment. We will cover all this by creating a project in another session. This code means the response is converted into a JSON format. This means the data is printed to the console. And finally, if there is an error, it is caught and displayed in the console. Now, let's quickly compare it with AJAX. In terms of syntax, Fetch API is a promise-based and is simple and clean to use, while AJAX is a callback-based and is more complex to use. Fetch API supports promise syntax, AJAX doesn't. When it comes to error handling, Fetch API uses catch method, which is easy to use, while it is difficult to handle errors in AJAX. Fetch API is supported only in modern browsers, while AJAX is supported in both old and modern browser. It is widely supported. Now, let's quickly check the project we will be building. When the project runs, it will select a dog breed and show the image of that breed. When you click anywhere near the picture or the text, it will show another image of that breed. If you want to change breed, click the drop down and choose another breed. The image of a new breed appears now. Again, if you click the image or the text, it will show another image of that breed. To do this project, we will use the dog API. We will start by working on HTML and CSS in the next session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.